Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and dun, here we have a new special edition smartphone for you, and this time we have the Nubia Z60Ultra Starry Van Gogh edition. So as we can see, this is a box. It's get inspired from the famous painting from Van Gogh, and it's a very nice design. And this time we have the Nubia Z60Ultra Starry special edition, and this phone is based on the Nubia Z60Ultra, and it gets a 1GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. Sorry, it's a 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM, so it's not the highest specification, but also it's very deserved to check it. So this is a box. Get it out from the cover. So this is a cover, plastic, and paint the Starry on the plastic. And okay, let's put it aside here. And now after we give out the box out, here we have the Nubia Z60Ultra Starry special edition. Oh, it's also a very beautiful box to provide this time. Different angles we can find here, just like the shining stars on the light. And it's not like the traditional way to open. It's just like this. You can take this cover away, and then the smartphone is in front of us. And here, after we open the cover, we can find here's the smartphone, and here Vincent van Gogh. Be clearly aware of the stars and infinity or higher. Then life seems almost enhanced after all. So this famous sign from Vincent van Gogh. And before we check smartphone, we can check out accessories, customized accessories first. So put the smartphone here, and then check the smartphone accessories. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They provide 5 accessories this time here. Okay, this is a case. Oh, sorry, it's a cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, Type-C to Type-C cable. And here is another cable. Also a Type-C to, okay, also Type-C to Type-C. Yes, Type-C to Type-C. Type-C to Type-C cable. So to provide two cables. And here, okay, wow, customized charger, Type-C to Type-C. You can find these sculptures also inspired from the famous painting from Van Gogh, Starry, and also the color is blue this time. The case, the box, sorry, the box, the charger cable, blue color. Yes, nice. Put it back, and here it's a white charger to provide. I think this is a, yes, this is a triple dot USB-C 1, USB-C 2, and it's a USB-A. So this is a 3-port charger. And we can check for Nubia, and this is a GNA, yes, GNA 65-watt triple port fast charging GNA. Very nice. And it's, so as we can see, this is all the accessories inside this part, inside 1, 2, 3, 4, this part. And here we have another plastic bag, and inside plastic bag you find the Starry Night hard paper, and here's a SIM card ejector. Also the Nubia first guide, and the warranty card information about Nubia, and also whoa, they provide a customized case this time. Plastic, and in the back of this case we can find it also used the Starry Night, the painting element, the classical painting from Starry Night. So this all the stuff inside the box, and here are the main accessories. And next, let's go to the smartphone and check the final appearance about this smartphone. Whoa, nice. Put it aside. And here, okay, it's the smartphone. Nice. I can put it here. Okay, so let's get it out from this plastic screen protector. Oh, whoa, whoa, amazing, so beautiful this device. Nubia Z60Ultra Starry Night, here Starry Night edition, and just like the case, and also like the cover of the smartphone, the back panel is also used the same element, the Starry Night, or famous painting from Van Gogh, and it's totally blue, even the framework. And for the camera zoom, it's the 1 to 2 part, and this is it's a Nubia Vision. It's a bit shining part, and it's a dark blue part, periscope camera, and this is main camera with a rear circle, and this is a 1, 2, 3 triple rear camera system with Nubia brand name and Neo Vision, the technology from Nubia, and dual 80 flashlight. Also here is the very amazing, gorgeous Starry Night, just like Galaxy, and it's the framework totally blue. Also this power button, volume button, and also I think it is customized button. Yeah, reframed. I think this is a film edition. Also the Type-C charger. Oh, amazing! It's so beautiful, I will say, for this device. And next, I'm going to talk about the specification about the device, because this time is not only amazing appearance device, but it also gets a flagship certifications on this device. So after the design, we can go to the recap screen and go to the front to check the front side. Totally full screen display design front, and we can check final app to check so we can check now. This is we find an app with the white background, so we can find it totally full display design, and we cannot find it's not a punch-hole camera, so the camera is on the screen, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides get very narrow bezels, and the same narrow bezels. So the display performance is amazing, I will say. And also here, from this angle, from this angle, from this angle, very, very nice and very beautiful. And we can go to the settings to check the information about this device. So here you find it's powered by Android version 14, iOS 14, Nubia Z60Ultra, RAM 6GB RAM, 512GB ROM, CPU Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, maximum 3.3 GHz octa-core processor, screen 2480 by 1116. Okay, more information about this, about the phone, and we want to check the display. Refresh rate, auto refresh rate 60 and 120 Hz. So about this device, first we can go to talk about the screen. Okay, let's go to the home page. It's used the 6.8-inch AMOLED screen, and the display resolution is to 2480 by 1116. As I mentioned, it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and the screen to bit ratio is to 99.9%. No punch hole, no punch hole, and no head. And it's very, the display performance is amazing and gorgeous, and also it's straight screen design, no curved screen, and the size is, I think, is acceptable. And thickness 8.78 mm and weight 246 gig RAM. It's not too thin, but it's okay for me, my small hand, and it's also very nice to hand it on my hand. And also this time they provide 3 colors. This is a special color, and also have a black and a white, and also for the special one you get a naked 3D star diamond floating technology. It's just like the, I think, kind of technology from Oppo. It's a micro cave-in technology. It's a 3D performance and very nice. Also the AG matted glass also looks beautiful and not easy to left a fingerprint on it. So we used a lot of words to talk about the design, because I really like this. The design is amazing the first time I saw it. And also about the specification, about this wireless Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, powered, and also it supports LPDDR5X and 1 UFS 4.0, and 6,000 big battery with 80-watt fast charging. And also the screen, I forget to mention, it used the 5th UDC full display, and the camera is under the screen. And the 60 Ultra UDC full display used the new Q9 Plus materials, so it can be more vivid and also can reduce the consumption of the energy. Yes, and always also support 2160 Hz high frequency PMW dimming and HDR10 plus. Nice. No matter how you play games or watch video games or watch videos, it can also provide an immersive experience for you. And also the camera, I think I need to mention, triple ray camera system. The 35mm 50 megapixel main one is used the Sony IMX800 sensor, and the 18 megapixel wide angle, and 85 megapixel 64 megapixel 85mm 65 megapixel periscope. So it can cover from wide angle, long lens, and full aperture. Neat. It also supports OIS, so it can truly provide a high quality shooting experience and very vivid and cleaner pictures. So this is pretty nice. Personally, I really like it. And also, I've got the front. They have a 12 megapixel front camera, UDC camera, and also can support beauty mode and black on broken. So it also can provide a very nice selfie informations about the battery, and it support 80 watt capable fast charging. So normally within 30 minutes you can get 80% charging, and within 1 hour it can fully charge it. But it doesn't support the wireless charging. So yes, I think it's a pity about this device. And next, I think I will have a very simple test about the camera, about this device. Whoa. Okay, let's put a very small here. Okay, and we can test it. So these are 35, 18 wide angle, periscope, 85, and the front one. The anti. Okay. And about the camera, about the front of the real camera, we can check it the 30 times zoom performance. Okay, pretty nice. So yes, this is a main introduction video about this device from Nubia, the Nubia Z60Ultra. It's really nice and really beautiful device. So make a comment and let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool catch up from here. Bye bye.